Hi, hello, my dear younger kids. How are you all? Have you taken your breakfast? What did you eat in the breakfast? Yes. Yes, some of your friend, you eat different varieties of food. The food we eat in the breakfast, the food we eat in the morning is called breakfast. The food we eat at noon is called lunch. The food we eat at night is called dinner. Isn't it? So every day we are eating many foods, no children? We are eating fixed times also. Okay children? So today we are going to discuss how to keep our body fit and healthy. This is a new lesson children. Let's begin. Okay, be happy and always always be healthy. Okay, by taking good food. Yes, isn't it children? So good food habits, good food habits. Okay now, and exercise, recreation, rest and sleep. Okay, and also good posture keeps your body fit and healthy. Okay children. So how should we stay healthy, Amma? How should we stay healthy? In order to keep healthy body, we should eat healthy food. In order to keep healthy body, definitely we should eat good food. No children, every day we are eating good food only. Okay, now breakfast we are taking different types of food, and along with milk, no children, every day you are drinking milk and taking eggs and eating fruits and vegetables. Definitely they may give us good health to your body. Okay now, so how should we stay healthy? In order to keep healthy body, we should eat healthy food, no children. Food keeps our body fit and healthy, no? Yes, food keeps our body fit and healthy. Food helps us to grow. Food keeps your brain healthy and strong. Okay, food keeps your brain active. Okay, without taking food we can fall sick, no children. That's why we eat good food. We eat healthy food. Then our body may fit and strong. Okay children. For keeping ourselves fit and healthy, definitely we should take good food. Food helps us to grow. Okay now, food helps you. Yes, food helps us to grow. Food also, yes, very important for us, no children. Without taking food we may die. We can't live. Okay, we cannot live. All living things need food, no children. Without taking food we cannot live. We cannot survive. So all living things need food. Food helps us to grow, and also food keeps our body very fit and healthy. It protects us a number of diseases also. Okay now, food keeps your brain active. Okay children, that's why you must eat healthy and good food every day. Okay children, so how should we keep ourselves fit and healthy? How should we keep ourselves fit and healthy, Amma? By doing exercises. Exercises keep us fit and healthy. Exercises make us healthy. Okay children, so playing is a good exercise, no? Playing is a good health, no children? Playing outdoor games, you have to it is better to play outdoor games. Okay, are you playing outdoor games, children? So how should we keep ourselves fit and healthy? So exercise keeps us fit and healthy. Okay now, what are the exercises keeps our body? What are the exercises may help our body to keep fit and healthy? Yes, walking. Every day you walk early in the morning. That is good for your health. Walking, running, jogging. Okay, already you are playing cricket. Okay, outdoor games, playing football. Okay, volleyball. All these are all the all these are exercises good for your health. Okay, they may keeps our body fit and healthy. Okay, let's start the lesson. Today's lesson, keeping healthy. Okay now, keeping fit and healthy is important for all of us. We do a lot of work with our body every day. Okay, it is very important for us to take care of our body. Okay, how to keep our body fit and healthy? To stay fit, we should eat healthy food and do exercise every day and play and take rest. Then we should keep our body fit and healthy. Okay, eating healthy. Okay, it is very important to take good food. Okay, and to take healthy food. The food items such as fruits, vegetables, vegetables and pulses. What are the examples of pulses, Amma? What are the examples of pulses, Amma? Okay, grams, green gram, black gram, red gram, okay na, okay, Bengal gram. These are all the pulses. They give us a lot of energy to our body. Don't forget it. Every day you are eating dal. That is also give us energy. Okay. So every day we are eating pulses, means pappu, dals. Okay, dals. Okay, and every day we are eating rice. No, those are the cereals. What are the examples of cereals, children? Rice, wheat, maize, jowar, arhar, barley. These are all the cereals, means cereals. Every day we are eating rice. No, yes, rice give us a lot of energy for our body. Okay, so fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals. Okay, these are very important for our body. They may give us health, okay, to our body. So they give us energy to do work and play. Okay, cereals and pulses and fruits and vegetables are very important to our body. Are you eating all these, children? Yes, every day you are eating fruits, every day you are eating curries. Okay na, and every day we are eating rice, every day you are eating biscuits, chocolates, cake. Okay, your parents provide you good food only. Okay, now all these foods are very important for quick growth and keeping your body fit and healthy. Okay, don't forget it, children. Every day you are taking good food only at fixed times. Okay, you should follow the fixed times. Okay, children. So we should keep our body fit and healthy by taking all these kinds of food. Definitely you are taking good food items only. Okay, children. Are you playing outside, children? It is very important, amma. So how should we keep ourselves fit and healthy? By doing exercises. What type of exercises you should play? Yes, walking, go for morning walk. It is very good for your health. Fresh air is coming from outside, no, children. Plants, yes, plants keeps the air fresh and clean, no, children. So don't forget it. Every day you should walk at least half an hour. Will you go morning walk? Okay, every day you walk early in the morning. We get fresh air from our surroundings. Okay, na, and also yes, walking. At least cycling, walking, running, okay, and swimming. Okay, these are all the good exercises. These keeps our body very fit and healthy. It is better to play outdoor games. What are the outdoor games, children? Outside you play, no? You play in my apartment. A number of children are also there. Yes, they played every day indoor games and outdoor games. What are the outdoor games, amma? Outdoor games, cricket, volleyball, okay, and yes, football. These are all the outdoor games. What are the indoor games? Indoor games inside the house. We are playing inside the house. Indoor, inside the house. Chess, ludo, okay, and number of games, chess, ludo, and also business. Number of games you are playing inside the house, no? So you should play, you must play outdoor games and indoor game. Then they helps our body to keep fit and healthy. Are you playing? Yes, definitely. You spend some time for playing. You spend some time for reading. You spend some time for writing the works. Okay, are you follow? Whatever teacher saying, you should follow. Okay, na? So good food, good habits, good food, good habits. Okay, good posture. Okay, na? And also exercise. Okay, playing games. All these keeps your body very fit and healthy. Don't forget it, children. Eat good food and do exercises and play games and take rest. All these are very important for us. Okay, children. So okay, swimming, dancing, cycling, playing outdoor games are different forms of exercise. Besides these, our body also need rest and sleep. Our body also need rest and sleep. So children, how should we rest and sleep, amma? How should we take rest and sleep? When we feel tired, we get tired after we work and play, children. Yes, we get tired after we play, after we work, isn't it? So definitely we should take rest. Okay, children, we must rest when we feel tired. Okay, now. So if we do not get enough rest, we can fall sick. Okay, so after doing work and exercise, our body gets tired. Definitely our body gets tired after doing work and exercise and playing. Okay, now. So it needs rest. Our body also needs a rest and sleep. So rest and sleep make us feel fresh. Rest and sleep makes our body feel fresh. Okay, children. So our body gets rest when we feel tired. Our body gets rest when we feel tired. Okay, if we do not get enough rest, if you do not take rest, enough rest, okay, we can fall sick. We can fall sick. Definitely after doing work, after playing, it is better to take rest sometime. Okay now, children? Okay, are you follow me, amma? Yes. We must sleep 7 or 8 hours every day. Don't forget it, children. Don't spend too much of time for playing. Okay. Yes, your body also needs rest. Okay, now our body also needs rest when we feel tired. Okay, children. We must yes, we must sleep 7 or 8 hours every day. Don't forget it. Okay, children. I am playing one video for you for better understanding, children. Okay, don't go away, stay here.
Hello students, today we are going to learn how to be clean, fit and healthy. To stay healthy, we should keep ourselves clean and fit. Keeping clean. How should we keep ourselves clean? We should brush our teeth twice a day. Keeping clean. Rinse our mouth after each meal. Every day with soap and water. We should use a clean towel to wipe ourselves. We should always wear clean clothes. This keeps us fit. Exercise. We should always wear clean.
Okay, children, I am playing one video for you, children. Don't go away. Keeping fit.
How should we keep ourselves fit? Exercise keeps us fit. Exercise makes us healthy and strong. We must exercise every day. Playing is good for health. That's why it is a good exercise. It is better to play outdoors. Likewise, walking, running and swimming are also good exercise for your body. Rest and sleep. How should we rest and sleep? We get tired after we work or play. That's why we must rest when we feel tired. If we do not get enough rest, we can fall sick. We must sleep for 8 hours every night. Our body gets rest when we sleep. That's why we must go to bed early, and we must have the habit of waking up early in the morning. Staying healthy. How should we stay healthy? In order to keep a healthy body, we should eat healthy food. Food helps us to grow. Food gives us energy. We must drink clean water. Maintain good sleeping habit just like that poem. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. How about a quick recap of what we have learned so far?
Okay children, today you have to read the textbook amma. So tomorrow we will discuss about how should keep ourselves clean. Okay children, bye, take care.